Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. You love Shiny. It's me, Shiny. And I'm back with day 3, the last and final day of the dog cage challenge. I got my dog, I got my cage. It's Friday. Cheers to that. Happy Friday to you guys. Boop. Hurricane. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave lots of comments so I can say, hey, I am in my comment, y'all. Like, for real, I reply. I reply right back. Well, maybe not right back, but I reply. Anyway, don't forget to hit the bell to be notified every single time I, she, me, her, upload a video. All right, today, day 3 of the dog cage challenge. You heard me. I have a Cordon Bleu. That's what it is. It's the Cordon Bleu in a cage. Got my chips, got my cheese dip to pour on here to make it an official Cordon Bleu. And I got my chips for my dipping too. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see it. It's ham right here. Got the ham holding the chicken. Okay. Cordon Bleu is a chicken breast stuffed with ham and cheese. So it's kind of deconstructed, but it's a dog. Nevertheless, it's a dog. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. All right, y'all. So I got my cheese, and I'm going to pour on here which one I want to do first. Got my plain chips. Yeah, let me see how that's going to go. Ooh. Ooh. That looks so good. It's a mess, but it look good. I'm going to turn it that way. Y'all pretend like y'all see that. Now it's an official Cordon Bleu. Okay. Yeah. If you're not following me on social media, make sure to follow me. Boop. It'll be right here. My website will be somewhere right here. Y'all make sure to follow me and check out my website. Oh, now you can see it focused. Oh, yeah. I can't wait to bite into this. Bon appetit. Making a mess. Look. So, y'all, if y'all have not been watching the other Mukbang B.U.L.S, because this is a dog cage challenge by the Mukbang B.U.L.S, okay? I'll put them right here. You see them. Make sure that y'all are following my other partners in crime on this. I keep showing y'all because it looks so good. Big Mac, myself, Lips, and Sam's World. We are all doing our own rendition, day 3. If you have not been watching our videos, please go back and watch our previous videos and then watch day 3 of all of us. Their link's going to be in the description box. If I know you like, yeah. Grilled chicken, ham that you just warm up on the skillet. My chicken was almost done. I just threw my ham on there right quick. This is queso, of course. Simple, y'all. And delicious. If you like Cordon Bleu, you will like this. Y'all know what I forgot though? That's so good. I got some lettuce and tomatoes off to the side that I'm going to add. I want to try it. I kind of forgot, but I want to try it without it. Okay, y'all. So I want to say welcome to all my new angels. We did hit 2.5. I'm so excited about that. Now, you guys, it's time for us to hit 3K. Y'all ready? Can't do it without y'all. Okay, now, let me try to get it without it making a mess. Y'all know I had a mess. What was I thinking with this one? I wasn't. I was just greedy. Lettuce and tomatoes on there now. Now it's complete. No. It's your favorite Southern Belle with a cocktail. Don't play with me in the kitchen. It's so good. I was gonna do fried chicken, do like a southern type of Cordon Bleu, but that grilled chicken is what's up. Get something to mix that right quick. Hold on. It's mixed. Okay, that's better. Now I feel it. All right, y'all. So it is day 3 of the dog cage challenge. I got my Cordon Bleu. Can't wait to see what they got. Yesterday on day 2. Hold on. Gotta get my tomato. No, none of this getting left behind. Here we go. Lip gloss already gone other day, but it's Lachey Luxury. I put it right here. I put it on Instagram. If you like the lip gloss of today. I had another crayon case, but baby, it was too bold for me. Okay. I'm gonna tell you, neon pink. Neon. It was so hard to get off. Yeah. This is really, really good. You should definitely try it. And it was quick. The grilled chicken in the bag. Frozen. Everybody got ham. Well, maybe not ham, but the lunch meat of your choice. Cordon Bleu is ham. Ham. I put mayonnaise on the bread before I put the ham. Cheese. Lettuce and tomatoes. I'm not playing. It's really good. Like, I'm not joking. And all these chips right here. I need no space right here. Yeah, this is good. I can't wait to get to that one. So y'all make sure to leave comments in the comment section. So I can say, hey, I can know you came by. If you did want to shop on my website, use the code YouTube for free shipping. YouTube for free shipping. It's probably a show one today. This is so good. Tastes so dip. Everybody, man. Everybody talking about the debate and that fly. Right there. They childish. I've been laughing all day. And so other celebrity news. Y'all know I'm from Houston. Well, I got a lot of new angels, so I'm from Houston, y'all. I live in Houston. I'm from Houston. Whatever. Tory Lanez are charged. And looking at 22 years. He could face up to 22 years. That's still frozen. Yeah, I'm gonna get on this because, baby, let me tell you something right now. Can you see the grill marks on the chicken? I'm talking about, I'm gonna pour from this side where the mess is at, child. So, pour right on this side in case it makes some more spillage. I'll spill right on the side it was on. Oh, yeah. Just a little bit more. Just for good measure. Just a little bit more. I want to make sure you get all the way down in there. Okay. Oh, y'all see that little bit that poured? Yeah, I see that steam a little bit. It's warm. It's warm. Okay. Let me not forget my lettuce and tomatoes this time. I have not had any salad items this whole challenge. Ooh, excuse me. I'm full off the first one. Yeah, make sure y'all try this. Y'all see me spilling lettuce everywhere. All on the floor. Lettuce all on the floor. Spilling. Because I'm greedy and I want it all on now. And I wanted some more lettuce and tomatoes on there. Ooh, I seen it. It's messy. It's messy today, y'all. We messy today, y'all. Stuff all in my cheese there. Oh, this is really good. I'm not even, man. It's messy. I'm gonna say that part. Oh, this is too good. I'm see how I'm sitting there because of light. See the cheese, the ham, lettuce, tomatoes, chicken. It's good. I kind of want to do like this. So, all this gonna fall off. Y'all better get y'all Cordon Bleu in the dog. I mean in the cage. In the dog. In the cage. So yeah, this is good. This is a great idea. Try it. Big Mac, I know you're gonna say, I wanna try it. Try it. Try the potato soup. Try this. If you had Cordon Bleu before and you liked it, you'll like this. If you haven't had Cordon Bleu before and you want to try this, so y'all been having such a good time doing this challenge. So much fun. Our meetings on the phone, hilarious. We get some work done, but we get some fun done too. Okay. Who I'm talking about? Mukbang B.U.L.L.S. I'll put it right here. It's still right there. It is. This is good. Guess we're gonna eat all our food today, y'all. Well, not all these chips though. Like y'all ain't doing it. Look at my chicken trying to get away. No, sir. Get on back in now. Yeah. So happy to have done this challenge with my fam, the bulls, with y'all, the angels, all that. This is really good, and everything I had for the 3 days is bomb. I'll be trying to be not getting nothing on my clothes. Try it. If we did not call you out in the challenge, that don't mean you off the hook, boo. You can do 1 day, 2, or 3. We did 3. I got good. No. Hurricane ain't playing. Okay. All right, let me know what y'all doing this weekend because it's Friday, boo. Give me some more tomatoes. I love tomatoes. Lips for you when you make this, no tomatoes. Yeah, no tomatoes for you. Thoroughly. You're thoroughly enjoyed that. I might run over there and make me another. That's so good. Yeah, please try that. Even if you make it a sandwich, you know, whatever type of bread you want to use. If you're doing a challenge, you need a cage, which is a hot dog bun. But if you're just making that cordon bleu sandwich at home, you can use any type of bread that you prefer. Any type of cheese that you prefer. I use this because I know that hot dog bun can hold the melted cheese. Yeah. Again, I just want to say thank y'all for 2.5K. I'm super excited. Now it's time to hit 3K. I'm excited for that. I'm excited for everybody to be in the comments so I can meet all my new angels. I see a lot of y'all. Y'all are commenting too. But there's a lot of y'all that haven't commented yet. So, hey. Welcome. Welcome. This is day 3, the last and final day of the dog cage challenge by the Mukbang B.U.L.S, baby. I want to say another B word, but congratulations to Big Mac on 10K. Congratulations to you, bro. That's my little brother, y'all. I am gone. Almost gone. It's Friday. I haven't did this in a long time for all my OG angels are still hanging around. I love y'all. Shout out to all my new angels. On Fridays, what I usually do is take a shot for the one time. Let me see if I can show y'all that good old Texas shot glass. Y'all see that bad boy? I'm so Texas proud. H-Town to be exact. Okay. H-Town to be exact. All right, y'all. So I'm about to go. I do want to say cheers to all my new angels. Cheers to all my OG angels. Thank you guys for supporting me and my Mukbang B.U.L.S, of course. Thank y'all for everybody who went to everybody's channel and visited. Whether you was a Sammy Boo first, a Snack Wrap first, a Legion first, or Angel first. But you went out and ventured out. So cheers to y'all for making this a success. Cheers. Happy Friday, y'all. Okay. I got my chaser. Again, thank you to everybody who watched us. Day 1, 2, and 3. If you missed any of them, please catch up. They'll be up there. Thank you guys. We appreciate y'all. I definitely do. Bye. I'll see y'all on the next video. We out, y'all. I'm out. We did that. Bye.